Let me just sit down here and make short video, guys. Never you say, maybe when we are entering another year, you say, this year I'm not going to spend, last year ending, I will say that this year I'm not going to spend. Never you say, especially when you have children, because last year I spent a lot, so I'm saying that this year I will not spend like the way I spent last year. Yes, you know that this year half, I have spent half of if I spent the last year, So right now I'm going to pay my children school fees. People will thinking that we are not paying school fees. They will call it their house, the food payment. It's not food payment. Italian people know how they are doing their things, So that is it. And in the evening, I'll be going to Oculus, where they're saying eyeglass for Angel, Every year they have to renew their eyeglass, Chinedu this year not, because his own is okay. So it's only Angel's own. And my landlord called me, because my landlord is selling eyeglass. He called me now. Lucy, I will remove something for you. You'll be paying. I will scone to the chairman. That's where they're saying it. So this afternoon I'll be going to pay another money, a lot of money. I don't even want to mention name. So never you say that you're not going to spend, especially when you have children. This country, we are suffering. We are suffering. This year I've spent, but God will be our strength. God will help us, I have spent so much money this year. So I need another job. I need to come all also. And where we now support, So that is it. If you're a mother, say in this country, you're not doing anything. If you are even social media, leave that social media. I don't say you should leave it, but find work here, find work. Chole now, Otu anan me social media, I'm look all pity or belay all hair. Then what I call belego. Now look for full work, full work part time. So if you're a mother, no do but what if you name it? Just dolly can order. When you name it, I'll wear me. I'll get me, especially when you have children. Unless money you Jerome. Hey, you feeling it too. So find something to do if you're in this country. A mother, what are you name? Find something to do. Also, we have been using one day to be fair. So that's a leno, the Bunyanya. If woman do also cafanadi, then I was simboike, wine I was simboike, you need Bunyaliana. So, toy figure, Monday no Monday never. Find something to do. Days we go for near days what? Or they just wait. Hey, to pack and I they come. And my boss won't be. But God will help us. Bello questo.
No, adesso da ragazzi, insomma, tu rapido bambina. Te lo corso un pochino dietro, te lo senti bene così? Sì. Va bene così? Se lo porti più giù, veramente lo vedi, se lo porti invece più su no. Se vuoi te lo porto un attimo.
So guys, I did shopping. I went to sorry baby, let's have go. Yeah, where's the pass?
Yeah, Papa.
Okay,
Pipi.
So I went to Africa shop. I just bought a few things, my akege bread. It's mine. And Indomie, you know, our Indomie is finished. So let me buy this soup, which I can carry. Then later my husband will come buy carton, you know. So I bought 2 Indomie. And I also went to Coop, Italian supermarket. I bought chicken, piselli, red beans, okay, for my fried rice. And I bought piadino and the prosciutto and eggs. Eh? Chidi, my guy, help you. And the hot dog, just 1 hot dog, you know. We have things, but you know, when my children, they're in the holidays now, they're in the house now, so. And I bought okra. I'm cooking vegetable okra soup for my children. That is only Nigerian soup they like to eat. So I'll be cooking vegetable okra soup. And I bought 3 plantain. If I'll cook jollof rice, you know. I don't know. And the yam. Maybe this night we'll be cooking yam with egg sauce. My children are like yam with egg sauce too. So maybe that will be our dinner this night. I don't know. I'm not sure. Because it's late now and we go to church and later I'll be going to work too. So that is it. Hey, this okra is not that too fresh, you know. So that is it. So guys, we'll be cooking yam. White yam. Easily for baby Alex. It's them. Indomie is ready. You think you want me to? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I made a mistake. Saving mistake. Oh my God. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao.